Hey friends, this is Amit Mulani. We are here in Bangalore with the IIJ Sridhar 2024 और अभी हम हैं लॉयल स्ट्रिंग इंटरनेशनल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के स्टॉल पे जहाँ पे मेरे साथ हैं उनके ऑनर मिस्टर राहुल ठाकरे. सर हाउ आर यू?
We are fine, thank you.
सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि राहुल भाई की जो कंपनी है ये स्पेसिफिकली कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी के अंदर इन्वेंशन करके ये कुछ ऐसी प्रोडक्ट तैयार कर चुके हैं जहाँ पे आप अपनी इन्वेंटरी को बहुत इजीली मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. सो पहले राहुल भाई से पूछते हैं कि सर थोड़ा अपनी कंपनी के एस्टैब्लिशमेंट के बारे में बताइए एंड अपनी प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी के बारे में बताइए.
Sure. We have started our company in 2011. We
Okay.
started with the software development. Later on, from 2015, we are into RFID and EAS solution.
ओके.
Now we are the only manufacturer in India who manufactures the EAS machines
वाह.
and the RFID readers and tags and everything.
ओके.
So in terms of jewelry, we are having around 13-14 years of experience in the jewelry segment, where right from manufacturing to retail, all the processes we are covering into our ERP solution.
परफेक्ट.
So we can give the e-commerce solution to billing and everything with the RFID integrated.
सुपर.
So if you want the demonstration, I can show you the
या श्योर
demonstration.
प्लीज सर प्लीज.
Demonstration also. So now we have 3-4 types of tags. This is the reusable tag, which can be reused 10,000 times 10 years.
वाह.
And we are having the some this also you can say reusable tags, which is lightweighted tag in the industry. It is only 330 milli.
330 ml.
330 milli, yes,
Okay.
milligram. And this is the dual tag what we have made, which is AM plus RFID. It is mainly used for higher security. So in security you will get the 99% of result, and from the same tag you can count the inventory also.
वाह दैट्स ग्रेट.
And some other paper tags also we do have. These kind of paper tags are there, which is single time use.
ओके.
In the industry, we are covering all the aspect with the local manufacturing. So earlier people were more hesitant towards the RFID. Now we are implementing RFID in almost every city.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली.
So whoever wants the demonstration, live demonstration, we can go to their stores and wherever they are located. We have given it in US and other countries also.
वाह दैट्स ग्रेट.
So we can cover all the aspect of the jewelry, whatever they needed, we can give it to them. Single window solution for the technology in terms of RFID and software, everything we can provide.
Which is really required in nowadays.
Yes,
So can we go with the demo?
Sure. Now this is the RFID tags. Now I will first add those tags into the system. You can show up the screen. So this is our software. We can add the multiple products, single product, bulk product, and then we can integrate with the APIs also. And if you wanted to import the Excel, we can import the Excel. This inventory option is for verifying the inventory. Bill also we can do. We can find out the particular item. If some item is misplaced, then we can find out the item with this gun. So by the help of the sound and the graph, we can show how the products are moving. Then there is stock reports and other setting reports are there. Now I will add this much of product and I will show you how it scans the inventory and all. Now I am clicking on bulk product. Now let's say I am adding gold. This is for just a demo where people should understand. That is why we are adding in bulk. Otherwise it can be come from software and Excel and everything. Now I am clicking on group scan. Now around 78 items are added. Now I will scan any of the QR code. Now I selected the QR code. Now for tops I am pressing TP1. Okay. Now all the 78 tags are already added. Now I will keep save scan. Now when I wanted to scan the inventory, let's say now these 78 pieces I wanted to count, then see the speed of counting. All 78 pieces are counted. So
within the 3 to 4 seconds.
yes. If the inventory is in the box, we can show it in the box also. Let's say these kind of jewelry boxes are there. If it is there in the box itself, still it will give you the 100% result. If they stack up the trays, still it will give you the 100%.
So I can say
result.
that कि कहीं पे भी पड़ा हुआ हो, खाली आप इस मशीन को घुमाओ और ये काउंट कर लेगा अपने आप से.
Correct.
Perfect.
If you want the demonstration for search also, we can show you that also. If they want it in their showroom, we can show that feature.
आई
in the
थिंक
showroom
सर
also.
आपने जितना बताया है वही बहुत मतलब काबिल तारीफ है.
Yes.
बाकी तो बट ऑब्वियस जिनकी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी ना वो आपको डायरेक्ट से सामने से कनेक्ट करेंगे. बट आई मस्ट से दैट दिस इज द रिवॉल्यूशनरी काइंड ऑफ द थिंग्स व्हाट यू हैव मेंशन.
Yes.
बिकॉज एक ही साथ में इतनी सारी ज्वेलरी 3 से 4 सेकंड में पकड़ लेना
Yes.
और उसमें भी आप इंडिविजुअल उसको आइडेंटिफाई भी कर सकते हैं. इट्स अ बिग डील.
Yes.
पर डेफिनेटली सर आप क्लाइंट को जिस तरह से ये डेमो प्रोवाइड करेंगे ना तो उसको ज़्यादा ये ईजीनेस में पड़ेगा.
Sure.
और आने वाले टाइम में वो आपको कनेक्ट भी करेंगे.
Yes.
और जैसे हमने आपने बताया कि हमने वर्ल्ड वाइड भी इसको प्रोवाइड किया हुआ है.
Correct.
तो बट ऑब्वियस इसको एक्सपोर्ट में लेके जाके भी हम बहुत बड़ा मार्केट इसका डेवलप कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
राहुल भाई थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ द डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन.
Thank you so
Definitely,
much. You
हाँ.
have given us the platform to showcase our product.
डेफिनेटली सर बहुत सारे लोग ये जो वीडियो देखेंगे
Yes,
ये डेफिनेटली आपको कनेक्ट भी करेंगे. आपका नंबर डिटेल में डालेंगे तो
sure.
डेफिनेटली दे विल कनेक्ट यू. थैंक यू वंस अगेन एंड हैव अ ग्रेट लक सर. आप
too.
खूब आगे बढ़ो और ऐसी और टेक्नोलॉजी आप लेके आओ. यही
yes.
शुभकामनाएं सर.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
once
We are
again.
innovating all our products in terms of jewelry industry. So whatever the innovations are required for the industry that we are supposed to do.
Definitely sir. And I'm so happy with this your product categories.
Yeah. Thank you.
once
Thank you
again.
so much.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Amit Milani and team, India's best export-import business trainers.